This video is brought to you by catbeast.com. Design your own custom snapbacks and hats.
Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here and welcome back to my weekly b-boy tutorial. And today I'm going to show you guys the levels that you can do for your knee drop. I'm going to show you guys the variation and transitions. So hopefully this kind of video can broaden up your mind so that let you guys know how to incorporate your move to your knee drop. But before I start, I would like to take this moment to thank to our sponsor Catbeast. So if you want to make a custom snapback or cap, do check out catbeast.com. I'm going to put the link on the description below. Alright, so without any further ado, let's jump to the tutorial. The first knee drop transitions we're going to start is from the first level, which is the standing or the top rope. Now the first one, we're going to call this the spinning knee drop. You're going to put your left leg in front of you and I'm going to spin to the right. If you spin to the left, then switch. Alright, right in front of you, left leg on the back. So for my case, left leg is going to be in front. From here, I'm going to spin, alright? So when I spin, I like to open up my hands so that my move looks much bigger. Spin. Now while I spin, I'm going to slowly squatting down. This takes a lot of your leg muscle strength, but don't worry, it takes time to practice, and if you are able to do it, then your muscle will slowly develop this muscle to really help you with this move. One more time. Left leg in the front, spin, and then slowly going down. Alright, or squatting down like this. So while going down with the spinning, I love to place both hands on the ground as well, because it's just my preference. I love to looks like, you know, a ninja or Spider-Man that ready for battle. So again, that's my preference. If you want to do it without any hand, then you can do that also, or you're going to do other stuff with your hand. It's up to you. It's based on your creativity. Alright, so that's the first one, the spinning knee drop. Next one I'm going to do from the one leg jump thread. So if you don't know or confused about one leg jump thread, I'm going to put the link on top here. Just click it, it will take you to the tutorial. So if you're doing your knee drop with the main leg, which is the hooking leg, is right leg like me, then you want to grab your right foot with your left hand. Okay, so now we're going to do the jump. Alright, so when I do a jump, you can see that my left hand is still grabbing my right foot. From here, you want to slowly pull a little bit to the back and then pull again to the front. So you're creating that kind of, you know, pull and push style. Instead, just you know, do the knee drop right away. Just give it a little bit, you know, variation with where you pull to the back a bit and then pass it and do the knee drop. From there, you can go to the footwork, or you can stop your move by turn and then pause. On to the next transitions, we're gonna do this from the footwork. Now we're gonna start from the hook. I'm gonna hook my right leg onto my left leg. If you are counterclockwise like me, if you are clockwise, then you want to hook your left leg to your right leg. Alright, so right leg hooked to my left leg. Now I'm gonna swing my right leg out and then I'm gonna hook it from the back. As you can see, one more time. Front, swing out, back. Alright, now look at my body posture. If you are counterclockwise again, you want to make sure that your upper body is facing to the right. Now the second variations and transitions also comes from a hook, but this time instead of doing the normal hook, we want to start from the upper hook. Alright, upper hook, so same concept. Okay, you're going to swing your right leg up instead to the right, up, and while your right leg is start to going to the back again to your left knee. Then you want to start to turn or spin. For example, like this, all right? Up. You see, my body is start to move and I start to spin, and along the way, my right leg is continuing, moving, hook, and then end with the knee drop. At the same time, my body is spinning and stop. We finish up the transitions from the top rock forward. Now we're going to the last one, which is start from the floor or the ground. Again, two types of this. I'm going to start from the shoulder first. Left leg on the ground, right leg straight, and you're going to swing up. Alright, so right leg swing up. Now you can see why I'm swing up, and my left leg is pulling by the momentum of my right leg, and when it starts to going up, you want to quickly hook from the back and then place it down to the ground. I'm going to do it very slow. Right leg straight, swing up, hook, and now you slowly push your body up with your right hand. Alright, so you moving from flat on the ground to the shoulder and then up. One more time. Sweep, drop, up. Okay, this transition is very good because it creates a lot of, you know, momentum and a lot of variations. When people look at your set, it looks very nice because you are going from up down instead of flat. This one is very, very recommended. Now another transition, we're going to start from the roll back to knee drop, and this one can be executed in two ways. We're going to start from the straight roll back. So this one is very straightforward. You're just going to do a straight roll. So the roll to your back, to your head, and then you kind of want to push up. So these are the tricks. You want to push up with your hand so that your upper body is going up. At that moment, your leg is going to keep continuing. Hook your right leg to your left leg and then do a knee drop. Very simple stuff. Just make sure you are comfortable with the roll, then you'll be good. Next transition, we're going to do this also from the roll back, but this time instead do the straight roll back. We're going to do from the roll back to shoulder and then to the knee drop. And I think this one is a lot more easier if you can do from floor rocks or floor to shoulder. But if you don't, then I already did a tutorial, you can check that out. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how it looks. There you go guys, I just showed you guys 6 levels, basic transitions that you can do with your knee drop. The first one is the spinning knee drop. The second one is the jumping leg thread knee drop. The third one is the normal hook to knee drop. The fourth is the upper hook to knee drop. The fifth is the roll back to knee drop. And the last is the roll back shoulder to knee drop. Alright, so try all that out. And before I closing up this video, I want to say thank you for you guys. We reached 80,000 subs already, so no, I can't really do this without you guys, and I'm sure that we can take this channel to the 100,000 subs. Alright, so please share it with your friends and family. That's about it. And if you want to watch any other knee drop variations, because this is just a small part that I'm just showing you guys the transition and variations that you can do with your knee drop. If you want to see a lot more, because I can show you guys from freeze to knee drop to freeze, thousands of moves that you can do with this knee drop. If you really want to see it, let me know in the comment section below and I will do the video on it. But if you don't, then I'm probably just gonna skip it. Alright, so please answer the questions, please, so that I want to know what you guys want to see, and I really just want to deliver the video that my subscribers want to see. Okay, so that's about it. Subscribe, let this video give a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.